We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Brett from Onyx. Today we're going to review the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 FDW or CDW. We'll be conducting 5 comprehensive tests to evaluate its performance. The first one is going to be the pages per minute test. The second, color darkness and font test. The third, overview of all the printer's features. Fourth, scan test using the glass and automatic document feeder, the ADF. And fifth, wireless printing speed test. Let's start things off with a pages per minute test. We'll have the printer push out as many pages as it can in 1 minute. Impressive. The printer managed to print 21 pages in just 1 minute, which makes it good among its competitors. Next up is the color darkness and font test. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors to assess the printer's true performance. As you can see, the printer's color darkness is pretty good and it handles different font sizes better than expected. Now let's delve into the features of this printer. For those of you who are printer enthusiasts, you'll find more details in the description. This printer is a versatile machine that can print, copy, scan, and fax at a speed of 21 pages per minute. It supports duplex printing and comes with a 250 sheet input tray. It uses 4 206A or 206X cartridges, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix operating systems. It also supports mobile printing and has a standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. It comes with a 2.7 color graphic touchscreen. It's Energy Star qualified energy efficiency, and it includes a 1-year unit exchange warranty. Our fourth test involves a scanner. We'll start with a scanner glass. The scanner completed the task in 12 seconds, which is not great, but pretty good for this printer, and the quality is pretty decent too. Now let's move on to the ADF speed test. The ADF completed the task in 14 seconds, which is good for this printer, but if you're wanting to print higher quality pictures in greater quantity, you're going to want to go using the scanner glass. Finally, we'll conduct a wireless printing speed test using the HP Smart app. Let's see how it performs. Our cameraman is going to be operating the app behind the scenes. The printer completed the task in 19 seconds, which is great for this printer. Now it's time for our final thoughts. This printer is a solid choice for both home and office uses. It handles everyday tasks with ease, but lacks some advanced features like a larger screen, newer software, and extra tray compatibility. If you need a heavy-duty printer, we'd recommend stepping up to the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479. However, for home use or light office work, this printer is an excellent choice. Thank you for joining me in this review, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.